Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you had a nice day yesterday and you're ready to get started with science today. We are going to start our learning off by just understanding how to get into Discovery Ed the correct way so that everybody's in the right spot. So, what you are seeing in front of you is my computer screen. I am in my homeroom course. You'll notice that we've got our current folder right here. I'm going to go to science and click on that. So now I'm in my science course. You can see that because we have our science picture here. I'm going to go to our current folder, and then I'm going to go to Thursday because today is Thursday 4/2. And there are going to be two files in there. One of them is announcements that has a link for this video that I'm actually recording right now. And the other one is what we are going to be doing today. So if you click on Activity 1, you'll notice in there that there are a couple different things. Our first unit that we will be learning about is called Force and Motion. And we are going to just be talking about how force and motion are related and knowing a little bit about forces in the world. To do and get into that and access that, I've included a link. You'll click on that link, and what's going to happen is it's going to take you to a Spring Lake Park Schools District 16 Discovery Education login. Okay. At this point, you'll put in your username and your password, and then you'll click Login. Now, the screen that comes up on your iPads is going to look a little different than what you see here. It will also probably have the first part of your assignment, section 1.1, that we'll be doing today on the front screen. And it'll probably just say that it has been assigned to you. So then, if you want to click on that assignment, or you can click on or find and click on your science tech book. So you'll go ahead and click on that. Here it is right here, and this is the one that had the monkey at the top in our scavenger hunt on day 1. So then the first piece that we will be doing is forces. And we're going to be doing 1.1 today about force. So you'll then go ahead and click on that. So once it loads, you'll have a page that's got a big container ship at the top, or a couple of them with some tugboats pulling on it. Okay, you'll see that it's titled About Force. And then you'll also notice that there are 5 different tabs at the top of this page. For our science, we are only going to be going through the first 3. Okay, today we're going to only be getting to the engage piece. So your 3 pieces that we will be covering today, the first piece we are going to do is you will be reading the thinking about what causes the motion of objects to change. Okay, so you're going to do the reading on this page. While you are reading, I would like you to take some sort of notes. I know in the past we've done Cornell notes in our notebook, where we have the question on one side of the page, and then we have the note on the other side of the page. We also have just done notes in our notebook. However you felt like you were taking notes the best way you could. I would like to point out that there are blue vocabulary words throughout this reading in the Discovery Education website that you can click on, and they will give you definitions and also details about that word. Second piece, you are going to watch the 2 videos here on this page. Gravity. So learning a little bit about why things that go up also come down. And then right here at the bottom, there is a 5-minute video on roller coasters and how force is involved with a roller coaster. Also included on this page is a 20-minute video just about force and motion and how we use force and motion to our advantage as humans. Once you've written, or once you have watched those 3 videos and you've kind of written some notes down and you've done your reading, the last piece of today's lesson is we're going to go down to the bottom and there are 4 questions. And this is going to kind of give me an idea about what you already know about force. What you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and answer that question. So this one is a matching question. Once you've answered the question, you have to press submit. If you don't press submit, that answer doesn't get sent to me and then saved into the Discovery Education website. So you just have to be sure and press submit after each question. The second question is a multiple choice question, and then you'll press submit. The third question here is a short answer, and then the fourth question at the bottom is just another short answer on how forces affect the motion of objects. Now remember to press submit on all these, but also remember this is kind of a pre-test. If you don't know some of these answers, do your best. Answer them as best as you can from the information that we read or your previous knowledge that you have about force. As always, if you have questions about any of this, if you have trouble logging in, please let me know. Send me an email, contact me on Schoology, and we'll get it taken care of so that you can get that learning as well. I hope that you are excited and have fun learning a little bit about force today. I will be in touch.